What's up guys, Chris here with another Sketchup tutorial to help you through your day. Today I'm going to be talking about the Follow Me tool and how it is able to extrude a profile across a path. So let's get into it. I've created a small concrete staircase with a few tiles on the treads, and usually we know we need to finish the edge of the staircase with a tile trim that wraps down the side. So we don't want to be physically drawing this out in an old-fashioned measuring and typing increments. We wanted to create a profile and extrude it across the path. It's very simple. So we know that we need a tile to sit on the wall in this fashion. So what we're going to have to do is create this section of the tile as the profile to follow the path. So we know it's a 10 mil tile. We want it to come down 50 mils. You create a quick rectangle. Make sure to double click, right click, make group. Remember to make your groups. They'll help you separate things from each other, which is quite huge. Now we have the profile. We can double click into the group and we need to draw a path. Now, because this is a short stair, we can draw the path, but you can also use the move copy times tool in previous videos if there are many stairs to help you speed up that process. So what we have now is a path attached to a profile, and we're going to follow that path by using the Follow Me tool. So click on the tool, you go to the face, and you make sure that you click and hold, all right? And then you follow. You don't have to follow the profile like this. You can just go to the end. Now, why is it all not work there? And go to the end, and it creates the profile. And just like that, you have a tile in trim. Now it doesn't quite look complete because we know there's going to be some miter joints in here. So what we can do is quickly insert two miter joints. We don't have to draw all of them. Maybe we can use the move tool, move and copy, move, control, click and paste, times by 3, done. And there we have our miter joints on our tile edge. That is a simple action of the Follow Me tool. I hope you guys enjoyed. Check you in the next one.